As we come to the end of our 30-day savings challenge, it's time to reflect on the key lessons we've learned and the habits we've formed. Throughout this journey, we've discovered that saving money isn't just about deprivation and sacrifice, but it's a way to take control of our financial lives and achieve our goals. First and foremost, we've learned the importance of creating a budget that works for us, rather than against us. By tracking our expenses and setting realistic goals, we can make informed decisions about where to allocate our money and avoid overspending. We've also seen the value of cutting unnecessary expenses, from canceling subscriptions we don't use to reducing energy costs and transportation expenses. Meal planning and smart shopping have also been key components of our success. By preparing meals at home and finding deals on groceries, we've saved money and improved our health. We've also learned the art of negotiation, whether it's negotiating bills or finding the best deals on purchases. Throughout the challenge, we've embraced the power of saying no to unnecessary spending, and we've seen the benefits of making our own coffee and bringing our lunches to work. We've also discovered new ways to make money, from selling unused items to taking advantage of hacks. Most importantly, we've learned that saving money isn't just about the short-term gain, but it's a way to build a better future for ourselves and our loved ones. By setting goals and staying motivated, we can continue to make progress and achieve financial freedom. As we look back on the past month, it's important to celebrate the progress we've made and acknowledge the impact of our efforts. By creating a budget and tracking our expenses, we've been able to identify areas where we can cut costs and reallocate our funds towards our goals. By implementing tips for reducing our grocery bills, making our own coffee, and cutting back on subscriptions, we've saved hundreds of dollars. We've also seen the benefits of adopting healthier habits, like meal planning and walking or biking instead of driving. Through hacks, smart shopping, and negotiation, we've been able to find creative ways to save money without sacrificing our quality of life. We've also learned how to turn clutter into cash, selling items we no longer need to earn extra income. In total, by implementing the strategies taught in the previous 29 videos, participants of this challenge have saved an average of $500, $1,000 over the course of the 30 days. While this number may vary depending on individual circumstances and financial goals, it's clear that these habits can have a significant impact on our financial well-being. Beyond the financial gains, we've also gained a sense of control over our finances and a renewed focus on our goals. By embracing a mindset of intentionality and mindfulness towards our spending, we can continue to make progress towards our financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. It's time to reflect on the impact these strategies will have on our lives in both the short and long term. In the short term, we may see a significant change in our daily routines and spending habits. We may feel a sense of accomplishment as we see our savings account grow and our debts decrease. We may also feel a greater sense of control and peace of mind, knowing that we have a plan in place for our finances. In the long term, the impact of our efforts can be even more significant. By implementing these strategies consistently over time, we can build a strong foundation for our financial future. We may be able to achieve long-term goals, such as purchasing a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. We may also be able to weather unexpected financial challenges with greater ease and resilience. But the impact of our efforts doesn't stop with us. As we model these habits and values for our loved ones and our communities, we can inspire positive change and promote greater financial literacy and responsibility. We can empower ourselves and those around us to create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Now that you've developed a solid foundation of savings habits, it's important to maintain the momentum and continue to build upon your success. Here are some tips for continuing to save money beyond the 30-day challenge. Keep tracking your expenses. Just because the challenge is over doesn't mean you should stop tracking your expenses. Continue to monitor your spending habits and look for areas where you can cut back and save. Set new goals. Now that you've achieved some success in saving money, it's time to set new goals for yourself. Maybe you want to save for a vacation, pay off a debt, or start an emergency fund. Whatever your goals may be, make sure they are specific, measurable, and realistic. Stay motivated. Saving money can be a challenging task, but it's important to stay motivated. Celebrate your small wins along the way and remind yourself of your long-term goals. Create a budget. Continue to create and follow a budget that reflects your priorities and goals. This will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Find a support system. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals and can hold you accountable. Consider joining a money saving community or finding a friend who shares your goals. As you come to the end of this 30-day savings challenge, take a moment to reflect on the progress you have made towards your financial goals. You've learned valuable strategies to save money and have likely already seen some positive changes in your finances. But this is just the beginning. Don't stop here. It's time to set new savings goals and continue your journey towards financial freedom. Think about what you want to achieve in the short and long term. Maybe you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or invest for your retirement. Whatever your goals may be, they are within reach. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. The progress you make towards your goals may be slow at times, but it is progress nonetheless. Celebrate your successes no matter how small and keep pushing forward. It won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. The feeling of financial security and freedom is one of the most rewarding feelings in the world. You have the power to make it happen. So set your new savings goals, create a plan, and take action. You've got this.